students. Today in this class we are going to study about the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. And in last class we already studied about the representation of rational numbers on the number line. Now see here, I will give one example. Okay, 1, 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 3. These are the two natural numbers, and now we have to find the natural number in between 1 and 3. Okay, the natural number. Find the natural number in between 1 and 3. So what is the natural number in between 1 and 3? See here. 2. Is it right? In between 1 and 3, the natural number is 2. Is it right? So now see here. Take another one example. 3 and 6. Now we have to find the natural numbers in between two natural numbers. Okay? We have to find the natural numbers in between 3 and 6. Okay? There are how many natural numbers are there in between 3 and 6? See here, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which means here there are two natural numbers are there in between 3 and 6. Is it right? So now take another one example. 1 and 2. Now we have to find the natural number in between these two natural numbers. Okay, find the natural number in between 1 and 2. There is no any natural number. No any natural number. Is it right? No any natural number. But in that two natural numbers, in between these two natural numbers, there is indefinite rational numbers are present. Okay, we can represent or we can find the infinite rational numbers in between these two natural numbers or in between these two rational numbers. Okay, it is also called as a rational numbers. Okay, so 1 divided by 1, 2 divided by 1, it is also a rational number. So in between these two rational numbers, we can find the indefinite number of rational numbers. How it is? Now let us study about the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, so now see here. Find the rational numbers. The rational numbers in between 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 4. Now see here. You have to find here 3 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4, okay, and 5 divided by 4, and this is 6 divided by 4. Which means there are two rational numbers, but in the case of these rational numbers, in between these two rational numbers, 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 4, there are indefinite rational numbers. How it is? See here. So 30 divided by 40, okay, so 3 divided by 4, it can be written in form of 30 divided by 40 and 60 divided by 40. Now we have to find the rational numbers in between 30 divided by 40 and 60 divided by 40. Now we can write here 31 divided by 40, 32 divided by 40, 33 divided by 40, so on till 59 divided by 40. These all are rational numbers in between 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 4. Okay, so you want or you need the large number of rational numbers in between 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 4. You can take as 300 divided by 400 and 600 divided by 400. Now we can write the rational numbers in between 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 4. See here, 301 divided by 400, 302 divided by 400, 303 divided by 400, so on till 599 divided by 400. Okay. So similarly 3000 divided by 4000 and 6000 divided by 4000. Now I have to write here 3001 divided by 4000, 3002 divided by 4000, so on till 5999. Okay, 5999. This is 4000. Is it right? So like that you have to find the rational numbers in between two rational numbers. Okay. If the denominator is same. Is it right? So now take another one example. 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 2. 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 2. Now we have to find the rational numbers in between 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 2. Okay. So first see here the denominator should be same. At that time you have to write these all rational numbers. But in the case of these denominators are different to each other. Okay. So first we have to rewrite these rational numbers converted to the same denominator. How it is? See here. 3 divided by 4 into 2 divided by 2. 3 divided by 4 into 2 divided by 2, or 3 divided by 4 into 1 divided by 1 is equals to 3 divided by 4, and next 6 divided by 2 into 2 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 it is also 1. Okay, it is also 1. If any integer or any rational number it is multiplied with 1, again you get the same value a. So that's why we have to multiply 2 divided by 2. If the multiply 2 divided by 2, the 6 divided by 2 value is nothing. Okay, so can't change. Okay, so therefore here 6 into 2, 12 divided by 2 into 2, 4. Now see here 3 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4. Now denominator is same. You can easily write the rational numbers in between 3 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4. Is it right? See here 4 divided by 4, 5 divided by 4, 6 divided by 4, 7 divided by 4, so on 11 divided by 4. So these are the rational numbers in between 3 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4, or 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 2. Is it right? Next, another method is there. Okay. Now see here, 1 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 4. Okay. So now we have to find the midpoint, the middle number of this rational number. Okay, how it is? See here. Or you have to write here 2 divided by 2 or 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now we have to find the midpoint of this rational number, or only one we have to find the rational numbers in between 3 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 2. How it is? See here. What is the mean? Mean, which means this is considered as a and this is considered as a b. So a plus b divided by 2 is mean. So here 3 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. See here 3 plus 1 4, 4 divided by 2. Okay, into it is 1 2 divided by 1. So multiplication, its inverse is 1 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. This is your rational number. And it is also represented in the number line. How it is here? Starting from 1 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2. Next 4 divided by 2, 5 divided by 2, so on. This is the number line. Okay, and on that number line you have to show this middle point here 1. So 2 divided by 2 is the value is 1 also. Okay, so this is the midpoint of 1 divided by 2 and 3 divided by 2. Is it right? This is the midpoint of 1 divided by 2 and 3 divided by 2. Next here, if the denominator is different, okay, if the denominator is different, now see here 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, see here 3 divided by 2 into 2 divided by 2 is equals to 3 2s are 6 divided by 4. Next 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4 into 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1 divided by 4. Now the denominator is same, 6 divided by 4 and 1 divided by 4. Now we have to write there rational numbers in between 6 divided by 4 and 1 divided by 4. Is it right? See here how it is 6 divided by 4, 5 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4, 3 divided by 4 and 2 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rational numbers in between 6 divided by 4 and 1 divided by 4, or 3 divided by 2 or 1 divided by 4. It is also represented on the number line. How it is? See here, this is one number line. Okay, start from 6 divided by 4. Okay, start from 1 divided by 4. So 1 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, 3 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4. Okay, the next 5 divided by 4, 6 divided by 4. See here, 5, 4 divided by 4, 3 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4. Like that, we have to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Is it right? So I hope you understood how to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. So now we are going to solve the exercise on that same concept. Which concept? Rational numbers between two rational numbers and the represent of rational numbers on the number line. Okay. So we shall stop here.